Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Timsesolv. By the way, what is Timsesolv? Timsesolv is a cloud-based time tracking, billing, and project management software designed to help businesses efficiently manage their projects, track time, and generate invoices. It's especially popular among service-based businesses, for example, law firms, consultants, and freelancers who need to track billable hours and manage expenses and ensure accurate invoicing. You can get started for free. All you need to do is go onto timsesolv.com. Then from there you can tap on try for free. After you have done that, you'll be prompted to sign up using your email address, and then you'll be sent to your email to verify your sign up. Once you have verified it, you'll be able to create a password, and then from there you'll be able to set your billable rate. So you can set your default billable rate, so let's say $100. Then you'll tap on I have read and agree, and you'll tap on get started. After selecting get started, you'll be redirected to your dashboard. Once on your dashboard, there are a few things that I'm going to be showing you how to set up real quickly to get started. Once on this dashboard, the first thing I want you to do is go over to the top right hand corner, and you're going to tap on account. After selecting account, you're going to tap on settings. Once you have tapped on settings, from here there are a few things that you can edit. So for instance, you can add in your business number and name. You can also set up when your week starts, your tax information, and the basic information, as you can see right here. After you have set that up, you're going to tap on account once more. Then you're going to select professionals. After selecting professionals, from here you'll be able to add your staff members or your business partners or so on. So you could tap on new. Then from there you can fill in their name and let them create an account, as you can see right here. After they have created their account, they'll be able to add in their billable hours, and this will help you to keep track of how long it takes to complete a task, and you'll also be able to communicate over this platform. After doing that, what I want you to do next, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option, and from there you can tap on dashboards. After tapping on dashboards, this is where you'll be able to track your billable hours versus actual total and actual billable hours. So you'll be able to monitor all of that right here. You can also tap on staff, and you'll be able to see the task that your staff member is currently doing or what they have completed. And you'll be able to see how many hours they have worked, as you can see right here. So this is where you'll be able to keep track of that. You will also be able to keep track of client accounts by tapping on clients, and from here you'll be able to keep track of all of that information. Now the next thing I want you to do, so now that I've shown you the dashboard, you're going to tap on clients, and then you'll tap on clients and matters. After doing that, you'll be able to create a new client by tapping on new client in the top right hand corner. You can fill in the client name. So for example, I'll just fill in test. Then you could give the client ID number, and you'll tap on save. After you have done that, you can fill in more information right here. You can fill in, for example, the type. You can tap right there. And if it is a company, corporation, or individual, you can select whichever one of these options. So you can create a profile for them. Then you'll tap on save. After you have saved it, what I want you to do next, you're going to simply go back. So we'll tap on clients, and from there you can tap on matter. After tapping on matter, you could select new matter in the top right hand corner. And then from there you can select the client name. So you can tap right where you see client, and then you could type in the client name right there. After doing that, you can add in the matter name. So you'll need to create a new matter, so you can create it right here. And then you'll be able to assign it to someone. Right where you see responsible professional, you can assign it to someone, then tap on save. So that's how you'll be able to assign a task. Another thing that you could also do by tapping on the to do, you can tap on plan tasks to do. And from there you could tap on new plan in the top right hand corner. And you could select the matter right here that you have created, and you can select the name. Then from there you could select the phase right here that it is currently in, and you could assign it to someone if you want, and you can select when it should start and enter duration date right there. and you can tap on save and new. So you'll be able to assign tasks to others. Another thing that you can also do, another standout feature when it comes on to Timsesolv is their time tracking. So all you need to do is tap right where you see time from the dashboard at the top, and you could click on time entry. Then after doing that, you can add time entry. So you can fill in the worker name right there. Then you could select the matter. And after doing that, you can select the date. And you can also select when they started. So you can see the hours right here and you can fill in their rate. After you have done that, you will tap on save new. So with this feature, you will be able to assign persons to different projects and you'll be able to pay them for their billable hours. And also when it comes on to generating invoices, you could select invoices. After selecting invoices, you can tap on drafts. Then from there, you could create a new draft by tapping on new draft. And you can select the client right here. So you can select any one of the clients or you can select responsible professional. After you have done that, from there you can select the billing category. You can also put in the date, range, and invoice date, and you can tap on create. So with this platform, you will be able to create invoices and you'll also be able to share or better yet send invoices via PDF, or you can use it for printing. Once you're finished creating your invoice, you can also manage your payments. So you could select payments, tap on payments right here. So with Timsesolv, it helps you to keep track of your payments and outstanding balances. So all you'll need to do is tap on the payments section. Then from there, you can add payment. So you can see right here, you'll be able to set that up. You can put in the date. You can put in the credit type right there, whether it is a credit memo, write-off, or so on. You can put in the client matter. Then you can select the payment method. After you have done that, you can put in the amount. Then you'll tap on save. After you have done that, you'll be able to also generate payment reports like what I've shown you earlier on the dashboard. So you can also generate your reports that give you an overview of the payments received, balances due, and other financial data to help you with your accounting. So to view your reports, you'll tap on reports right here. And from here, you'll be able to view time entries. So you can generate reports that show how much time has been spent on different tasks, clients, or projects. This helps you analyze your team's productivity. So you could tap right there and you'll be able to view that. You can also view billing reports. So these reports show you how much you have billed clients and what payments you've received. You can also, let me go back real quick. You can also view custom reports. So you can see different reports right here, the different categories that you can show. And if we were to go back to our main dashboard, you can see our dashboard right here. And again, you can tap on amount, you can tap on billing rate, and you'll see all of that. And when it comes onto Timsesolv, you can also use their CRM feature. So you could tap on CRM, and then from there you could tap on get started. And you'll be able to use their CRM feature, which will allow you to track leads, grow prospects, and gain clients. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial on how to use Timsesolv to track time, manage projects, and create invoices and generate useful reports. Whether you're managing legal cases or handling client work in any other industry, Timsesolv is a fantastic tool to keep your business running smoothly. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section, and thank you for watching.